Hi, this is Manisha Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, I talked about how to build your portfolio as a beginner or as a fresher or without any prior experience. If you are a beginner and struggling to build your portfolio as a beginner, then watch this video. You can click on any eye icon. I don't know, left prior, right prior. You can click on that and go through that video. I have shared my simple, easy steps which I followed when I started my journey, and how many freelancers and beginners are building their portfolio by following that steps. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to build your portfolio when you don't have any particular style. When you don't have any particular style, by means that is not static, that is not illustration, that is something different kind of work, like kind of mixture of two or three things, or kind of totally different. You can't name that style. So few months back, one of my close friend asked me how to build your portfolio as a beginner, and I told him all the simple steps which I mentioned in the previous video. If you have not watched this, that you can watch it. And he said that is okay, but my style is quite different. And I was okay, can you tell me more about it? He shared few samples with me, and I got his point ki what kind of work he wants to do, and what kind of clients and what kind of people can give work to him. It's more into artistic thing, not in designing. Still he wants to get into freelancing and wants to have clients and wants to start up his own company in that. So he mixes two or three illustrations or two or three arts and create amazing art out of that. So before I actually dive into the solution उसने क्या करा, I'll give you a little background of him. He's an engineer by profession, and उसने ऑनलाइन कुछ कोर्सेज देख के एंड यूट्यूब वीडियो से मास्टर कर लिया फोटोशॉप में मस्त वाली, एंड he creates digital art in that only. I told him देखो तुम्हारा स्टाइल डिफरेंट है, so you first have to show your work to others, and for that you have to build your portfolio or your online social media presence. So I asked him to put all his work either on social media or either on Behance, and if possible put on both these platforms. So he started with Instagram and he posted consistently for a month. 2-3 महीने बाद a cafe reached out to him. I would not name that cafe. A cafe reached out to him. उस कैफे को उसकी आर्ट्स इतनी पसंद आई, they gave him order. उस कैफे ने उसको ऑर्डर दिया, उन्होंने अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स उसे बताई, and he created amazing art with their descriptions and with their brief. And now he is working as a freelancer side by side with his job. So the easiest takeaway from this video is, to get clients or to get work, you have to sell yourself. You have to show yourself online that you can do this, you can serve this. You have to show others. So just like you go to grocery store and you see many things, सोप भी दिख रहे हैं, शैम्पूज दिख रहे हैं, बिस्किट्स दिख रहे हैं, मैगी दिख रही है, फ्रूट्स दिख रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग, एंड यू नेवर नो कौन आपको आके पिक कर लेगा आपकी एक चीज के लिए. सो वट एवर यू कैन डू एंड वट एवर यू कैन सर्व, you have to show it, you have to put it, you have to show it, you have to put it, and that is the best way to reach out to people. So इसमें तो कोई टेंशन वाली बात ही नहीं है कि आपका स्टाइल डिफरेंट है, आपका स्टाइल ऐसा है, आपका स्टाइल वैसा है, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता, मेरी इस मार्केट में नीड नहीं है. एवरी पर्सन नीड अनदर पर्सन. सो आपको जो आता है वो आप अच्छा अपना बेस्ट दो, अपना पुट करो ऑनलाइन, एंड यू विल गेट रिजल्ट. बट येस, बी कंसिस्टेंट. Consistency is the key, and I'm also trying to be consistent on my YouTube channel. So yeah, so that is all from my side, and I wanted to share this video with you, and I hope you have a new learning from this video. And if you think this video can help someone, then please do share with them. If you want to see more content like this around social media, freelancing, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.